Okay, good morning to all. See, in this video, today we will be starting the new chapter, that is computer network, right? So, the very first thing which we have to see that what is network. So, what is network? Network is the interconnection of various communicable devices. Network is an interconnection of various communicable devices. When various communicable devices connect together, they form a network. Okay. So I'll explain you which all topics is going to be covered in this chapter. So the very first is introduction. So I gave you the introduction of network. What is the network? So network is a interconnection of various communicable devices. Now see, advantages of computer network. We will see in this chapter what are the various advantages and disadvantages also. Evaluation of network. When the network has been aroused, when it has been developed, okay? So it was developed around the Second World War. Okay, we will discuss. Now, how does the internet work? The working mechanism of internet, and what is the difference between internet and intranet. Then comes elementary terminology of network. What are the basic terminologies used in the computer network? Then after we will see, we will go through the various types of networks. So first is PAN, that is personal area network. The network through which I am communicating with you is my personal area network, where within a limited area, okay, where, and then comes LAN, that is the local area network. What is the range of local area network? What are the advantages of local area network? What is the speed of local area network? That we have to cover in this topic. Next is metropolitan area network, that is MAN. So obviously MAN is bigger in size than LAN, and the speed is less than LAN. Since it is bigger in size, it covers the area of around 70 kilometers, that is a city. Next is WAN. So what is WAN? It is a wide area network. Okay, that is, it covers the wide geographical area, that is country based, continent based, right? Next is network devices. There are various network devices used for communication, like hubs, switch, router, gateway, bridges. Then many other devices are there, which we will discuss one by one, and we will see the advantages and disadvantages of all those devices. What are the limitations and all. Then comes network topology. What is network topology? So topology is the geographical arrangement of network. Okay. So what are the various geographical arrangement? That is mesh topology. Meshing means it is a combination of various others. It is meshing, starting from zigzag and all. Then star topology. So it is in the form of star. Bus topology. It is not given in the proper sequence. It should have been started from bus topology, because bus topology is the oldest topology in the world. Okay. Then after bus came the star. Then after star came the ring. Then after ring came the tree, and after tree came the mesh. So this is the order, but it is not given in order here. Now, introduction to internet and web services. What are the various web services? Okay. What is www and what are the various services? Then comes domain name, URL, email. What are email? Chats, VoIP, voice over internet protocols, websites, web pages, web servers, and web hostings. Then web browser, commonly used web browsers. What are the various types of web browsers available in the market which we can use? And add-on extension, plugins, cookies. What are the cookies? We have also discussed in our class 11 what are cookies. So setting up the computer network, how to set up the network, and then comes, and that's the final. So let's begin with the chapter now. See, computer network. Okay. So computer network as per latest syllabus. latest syllabus. This chapter is not there in your old book. ठीक है, it has been introduced newly in the month of April, right? So see, basically what is network? So the greatest breakthrough in the technology and communication over past 20 years has been the has developed